You know that computers can teach you anything you want to know or anything that you need to know. It seems like a beautiful computer belongs to you. So you turn the computer on. You have enough time. The tape now begins to play, and you are learning the most amazing, wonderful things. You are learning that you're very special. You are learning that God made you, and He made you very special. You are learning that God loves you, and that Jesus will always be there with you wherever you go.